Did you read that story online about the guy who got rich just by creating a simple idea?
I've got a ton of good ideas. I wonder what I have to do to get started.
What you want to do?
Soft launch it.
I can't afford to spend a ton of money on my new idea and project.
What you want to do?
Soft launch it.
You like my ideas, but how do I know for sure if a bunch of other people will like it too? I don't want to waste a bunch of time and money on an idea nobody would want to buy.
Soft launch it.
How would I start to get people interested in my idea?
What you want to do?
Soft launch it.
Have you heard about crowdfunding? What is crowdfunding? Maybe I should crowdfund. What you want to do?
Soft launch it.
I've always wanted to make one of my ideas come to life. I've got to get started sometime, right? I do not know how to build my crowd.
Just soft launch it.
Validate your idea and gain early investors before you start your crowdfunding campaign. It's affordable, it's effective, it gives you real feedback. It's the first step to making your idea into a reality. By now, you should know. Soft launch it before you crowdfund it. www.crowdfundingsoftlaunch.com